access the coffee machine, use the key provided. Start by removing the liquid waste tray and the solid waste tray. Open the top lid and carefully remove the chocolate container. Remove the milk dispense tube and move it out of the way. Remove the tubes attached to the spout support and remove the spout support by sliding it out. To remove the blue chocolate mixing bowl, turn the green tab to the 6 o'clock position and pull out. Take the mixing bowl apart as shown. Don't forget the mixing wheel. Hold the base of the wheel with one hand and rotate anti-clockwise with the other to remove it. Give it a good wipe and clean the excess chocolate. In order to remove the brew unit, unscrew the green knob and pull the brew unit out. Don't forget the water tube. Unscrew it to remove. Be sure to check that the rubber O-ring is still in place, but if you ever do lose it, there's always a spare. Lastly, remove the divider and give everything a good wash and dry. Now to put everything back in place. Start by hooking on the divider, followed by the brew unit. Don't forget to click the wheel into the up position. Reattach the water pipe and screw it in place. The chocolate mixer screws back in place, just like this. And this is how you put the blue mixing bowl back together. Line up the mixing bowl, ensuring that the white tube is seated in the mixing bowl. Don't forget to lock it in place by turning the green tab to the 7 o'clock position. Slide the spout support back in place and reinsert the tubes as shown. Pop the milk dispense tube back in place, followed by the solid waste tray, liquid waste tray, and lastly, the chocolate container. We're almost done. Now we just need to close everything up and start up the machine. The machine will then ask you if you would like to clean the milk tube. If you are up to date with daily cleaning, you can skip this. Go ahead and enjoy your coffee.